Hello everyone, welcome to GoLocal. Here, as a customer, you have this UI where you will be asked for whether you are a customer or a business. And since you are a customer, you can just click over here and press go. After that, you will be redirected to the login page. Now, if you are new to this portal, then you should definitely sign up with your credentials. But since I have already used this, so I will just log in with my old credentials. So let me put in through this. Yeah, so you will land on this page. Here basically a map will be shown where where the hawkers who are nearby your location will be pinned over here. You can check your current location is this one, and the hawkers are displayed over here. Apart from this, the hawkers nearby will be listed over here also. So yeah, basically if you just search over like Ruhi fish and just click search, and then this one will come, and if you just click check, this one will turn green, and you can definitely request for a visit for the hawker and like give some message like please visit. Uh, Sorry for the typo. Please visit and your phone number such as 9874 54321 and the amount such as 10. You submit it. Here you will be redirected to the MetaMask. Here you have to put the password and like click next, connect. Yeah, so you have to like 10 SHM you will have to pay. So if you press confirm, it will just take some time for the order to be like the MetaMask to be updated. You can definitely check your past orders from here. See, for example, if I can see the payment is successful, transaction is confirmed. So that means I have requested the hawker and I have paid it. So your current orders, yeah, is showing that you have definitely ask for a hawker to come and request it. Also here you can choose for a partial payment or a full payment method. Like if you go for full payment, that could be like like that could be like you can deal with the hawker in this way. Like you can talk to the hawker and then say like if you want to do partial payment or full payment. And if I do full payment, like if I press confirm, it will again take some time. And see here it is saying that you are not the customer because I tried to pay as a hawker, so I cannot. Now you can always check for the past orders over here. See here I have just checked for the like hawker's name which I had given, the date and time, location will be given, the status will be given, like if the hawker had cancelled it or if I have like partially completed it, then it will show P completed, and if it's like fully the payment is done, it will show completed. Now moving on to the home page. Yeah, there is definitely another section for sort by categories. Like if you just see that if you click on ice cream or vegetables, fruits, all in one store, whatever category you may choose. For example, if I choose fish seller, so this will redirect me to a page where only fish sellers would be found. And here also, instead of the previous tab where you can like see a variety of hawkers, you can just see that here are only fish sellers available, and you can then just request a visit, and the procedure will be same as above. And here is basically some frequently asked questions which would be helpful for you, like how do I connect with the hawkers, how will I pay the hawkers, how will I know when the hawker will arrive at my location, whatsoever, like what the general queries may be. And if anybody has any other queries, we would definitely love to listen to it and add it to FAQ section. Also, you have a chat bot over here where you can definitely ask questions to Alexa, and he would definitely answer. Like, you would say something, and this way you can just ask for help. And basically, these are all the things, and this is basically about us, like the our team. And so here, nothing more is left, and you can simply log out after you have done your work.